Forged on a reputation for quality, customer relationships, and dependable accuracy, Cardinal Detecto has grown from a Midwest scale manufacturer into an international company with dealers in 110 countries. Located in the heart of the U.S. in Webb City, Missouri, Cardinal Detecto embodies the core of the American spirit of equipment manufacturing and engineering. Spanning 12 square blocks, Cardinal Detecto's factory and corporate headquarters comprises 376,000 square feet. Cardinal Detecto engineers, manufactures, and markets a diverse variety of scales and weighing equipment, ranging from small pediatric scales to heavy-capacity truck and railroad track scales.
Cardinal Detecto offers one of the most complete lines of weighing products in the industry. Our in-house research and development and vertically integrated manufacturing capabilities are unmatched. This allows us to continually meet the needs of our customers as processes change or new solutions are needed.
Machined precision, innovative technology, high-quality materials, adapting to market needs. These are all traits that Cardinal Detecto products have come to be known for. Cardinal Detecto is unique in the scale manufacturing world and renowned for their vertical integration. The company's in-house engineering and manufacturing results in exceptional quality and the ability to react quickly to shifting market needs. State-of-the-art manufacturing processes allow the company to produce strain gauges, hydraulic, analog, and digital load cells, cutting-edge circuit boards, advanced electronics, and heavy-capacity weight-bridge platforms. Cardinal Detecto proudly produces most products in Webb City, Missouri, with American and foreign components. No one else in the scale manufacturing world does it quite like Cardinal Detecto.
Cardinal Detecto is dedicated to the design and manufacture of innovative quality products. Our open engineering environment encourages teamwork and creativity. Our mechanical, electrical, software, and industrial engineers create products from concept to production. Our engineers have over 200 years of combined Cardinal Detecto experience.
Founded in 1950 by W.H. Perry, Cardinal Scale began manufacturing heavy-capacity scales for the industrial and agricultural markets. Then in 1981, the company acquired Detecto and began manufacturing lighter-capacity healthcare and food service scales. This acquisition essentially doubled the size of the company and scope of products offered. Cardinal Detecto is ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and VCAP certified for quality standards, ensuring consistently high-quality manufacturing processes. The company's customer service, parts, and technical support center is all located at the factory headquarters in Webb City, Missouri, so you will receive knowledgeable, friendly help whenever you contact Cardinal Detecto. As Cardinal Detecto continues to write the next chapter in weighing and measurement, the family-owned and privately held company still maintains founder W.H. Perry's determination to meet the unique weighing needs of its customers and the American spirit of building a quality product that is second to none. Cardinal Detecto, accuracy unmatched.